I'm Matt Swartz, Senior Editor with Expedition Portal and Overland Journal, and today on Field Tested, we're going to talk about the Step 22 Tenkile Tech Pouch. So Step 22, many of you are probably familiar with them. They're a California-based soft goods manufacturer, and they make some really awesome solutions for organization, storage on the trail in your vehicles. They make some great stuff for storage and organization everywhere, and case in point, the Tenkile is this really cool little bag that they've got here. It's designed for tech, but it could really be used for anything you want to protect while you're traveling in your vehicle or in a plane or on foot. I mean, it's kind of like a do-it-all little bag. So basically it's constructed from 1000 denier nylon Cordura material. Starting on the outside, we've got some cool features. We've got a top handle right here with a removable label that you can write on if you have more than one, making it easy to know at a glance what's inside. On the front, we've got a zippered pocket, and it has a little corner cut out here for routing a cable. So for instance, you can run your phone charging cord to the outside of the pouch, like let's say you're on an airplane and you want to keep this all closed up, but you want to charge your phone. Well, you can do that pretty easily. All the zippers are YKK brand zippers, really high quality zippers. On the back of the bag, we've got some MOLLE webbing, which allows you to attach accessories. For instance, we've got this shoulder strap, and we can just attach that in there. And now you can easily just wear this over your shoulder if you're walking. And some people who have purchased these have even found that these little plastic clips are the perfect spacing to attach this to the headrest in their vehicle, so they kind of use it as a headrest bag in their vehicle. So that's pretty neat. Going inside the Tenkile, we've got this unique diagonal zipper, which is a little strange at first glance, but it's really clever. It actually allows you to open the bag this way, giving you kind of a work surface. So picture opening this up outside in the dirt. It gives you a place to take something like your camera and place it on the ground or on a solid surface without allowing it to get dirty. So that comes in handy when you want to do something like change lenses, okay? So you can keep everything out of the dirt right here, which is a really handy feature for those of us that go and play in the backcountry and are in environments that are dirty. I use this bag most of the time for my camera, so it fits a Sony A7 with a lens, great. It also has some internal organization, so we've got some little pockets in here that fit batteries or memory cards. And it's also got these little Velcro. It's got these little hook and loop labels, so you can use these to kind of mark if a battery is used or fresh. You also have the back side of the front pocket accessible from the inside, so you can get to the contents inside or outside of the pouch. And then you've got another zippered pocket right here. And on the zipper pull for this pocket, we actually have this clever little plastic guy that will hold a micro SD memory card inside of it. And then in the main pocket, we've got these dividers that can stow when you're not using them, but they can also pop out and connect in the middle. So it actually divides this central pocket up into multiple sections. So I've found it's really handy if you're carrying maybe 2 camera lenses in here, you can put one in each side. You have options with it. The Tenkile Tech Pouch it's a great solution for everyday carry of small items like cameras, cell phones, knives, memory cards, you know, anything you want to keep safe in a small, compact footprint. $65. It's been a great addition to my kit on the road when I'm traveling. Today's hack is this palm-sized Hex Bit Driver from Scout Leather Co. Now, it may look kind of fancy, but really it's just a palm-sized screwdriver. And what I really like about this one is it's got this ball bearing on the backside, so it sits nicely in the palm of your hand for doing detailed tasks like tightening the screws on your sunglasses or maybe removing the pocket clip from a pocket knife. I pair it with a small set of precision screwdriver bits that include Torx bits, Phillips heads, things that are a little bit more uncommon, but that you need pretty frequently in the field.